Ketebalan dia macam ketebalan ozon. Kita nak try Miss Creative Bakes Brownies. Packaging dia pun cantik. Wow, red velvet. Tebal ni brownies dia. Nice. Soft, gooey, cheesy, rocky road. Lagi sedap. Gooey chocolate brownies dengan soft marshmallow matcha. I like this matcha. Atas dia macam crunchy sikit. Dia matcha tapi dekat dalam tu ada some layer. I don't know what it is but it's good. Berry mess. Not too sweet. Ada sweetness of the berries tu. Taste dia a bit subtle lah. Tapi after the second bite, third bite, it grows on you. The peanut butter and jelly. Rasa kacang dia. Peanut butter dia kalau tambah sikit lagi kan, lagi sedap. Ferrero. Ketebalan dia macam ketebalan ozon kita. Oh, the best. Ada ganache kat dalam. Yang ni Mother's Day edition, tengok cantik gila kan. Saya ada cut lagi. Ada tulis mom kat situ. The shape of M. Sorry mom. It's a bit sweet. The cream is nice. Walnut flavour. Mak-mak mesti suka ni. Kunafa pistachio. Basically bawah dia adalah brownies, atas dia ada kunafa pistachio. Raspberry swirl with cheese. Dia very rich. Rasa raspberry, rasa cheese.